road. Curves bite hard, tires sing, every turn it catches everything. Engine growl, red line glow, hands on bars, let it go. City blur, hilltop run, one small frame, all that fun. Cameras in the backseat bag, ready for the rush, ready for the drag. One quick press, I'm in the frame, every ride comes back the same. GoPro, feel every moment fast, wild, right where you are. Close up life in a moving car. Turn it up, let the world explode. Keep it all on the open road. Wind in your hair, yeah, own it. Life's a wild ride, just show it. GoPro, feel every moment and know it. From the track to the sky, from the ramp to the high, every streak, every spin, you can play it back again. Motorcycles lean and dive, skateboard sparks, half pipe alive, planes cut clean through the blue. Every landing, every loop. Snowboards spray in the cold, white hills shine and pure and bold. Faces lit when the run is done. One more take, then another one. Snowboard lines through powder white. Catch that drop, catch that flight. Helmet on, heartbeat loud. Every scene pulls a crowd. From the ground to the sky, I want the whole ride frozen in my eye. GoPro, feel every moment fast, wild, right where you are. Close up life in a moving car. Turn it up, let the world explode. Keep it all on the open road. Wind in your hair, yeah, own it. Life's a wild ride, just show it. GoPro, feel every moment and know it. From the track to the sky, from the ramp to the high, every streak, every spin, you can play it back again.